people build tree swings through various methods like climbing, throwing a rope, or using a slingshot. We were wondering if a drone could be used in building a tree swing. One benefit of this approach is that you could have a swing at almost any height. So here's the plan. First, we will find a tree that has a horizontal branch which should be strong enough to hold the swing's weight. Next, we'll take the drone and we'll tie a string around the back of it. The drone should fly up and around the branch and bring itself back down. By tying a stronger rope to the string, we can pull the other side of the string, which will bring the rope around the branch. After securing 2 ropes around the branch, we can finally attach the swing to the rope. We believe that wing protectors are a must-have so that the string does not interfere with the wings. Before we try it on a tall tree, let's see how the solution works in our backyard tree. So this is how the drone will fly up, wrap the string around the branch, and then bring it back to the ground. One problem we noticed was that the string was interfering with the ground detection sensor, which made the drone think it was near the ground, so it flew up as a result. To fix this problem, we changed the style of how we tied the string to the drone. Prototype attempt number 2. It worked perfectly. Next, we located a potential tree to set the swing up on. The height of the branch that we selected was around 22 feet high. Time to prepare for the final setup. We bought the string to tie to the drone and the braided rope which will support the swing. We cut the rope in half since we will need 2 ropes to hang the swing. For safety, we fused the ends of the rope. Next, we passed the ropes through plastic tubes that were a couple of feet long. This was to protect the rope and the tree from any kind of damage. So we decided to use the swing that was already in our backyard. They call this swing a sky curve, but any swing could be used. Time to head to the park. We used 2 drones for this project. One for carrying up the string, and the other was used for recording and live viewing. Observer drone all set. Time to get the other drone ready to carry up the string. The string is being wrapped around the branch. Next, we tied the rope to the string. We had to pull the string so that the rope could go around the branch. We repeated the process for the second rope. Both ropes are now ready to tie the swing to. Load testing the swing to make sure it can hold our weight. Time to have some fun.